Hey there, IELTS warriors! Welcome to our latest video that has 8 essential tips to ace the IELTS reading test. Let's begin with tip number 1. Understand the question types. The IELTS reading test includes a variety of question types, each designed to test a specific skill. For example, multiple choice questions test your ability to identify the main idea or supporting details. True false not given questions test your ability to identify whether a statement is supported by the text. By familiarizing yourself with each question type, you can focus on the specific skills required for each question and improve your overall performance. Tip number 2. Read the instructions carefully. Well, this may seem obvious, but it's crucial to read the instructions carefully for each question type. Understand what is required for each question and manage your time effectively. Make sure you read the instructions before starting to answer the questions and don't hesitate to ask for clarification if you're unsure. Remember, the instructions are there to help you, so take the time to read them carefully. Tip number 3. Skim and scan the text. Well, skimming involves quickly glancing over the text to get an idea of the main topic. Scanning involves searching for specific information in the text. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to help you. By skimming and scanning the text, you can quickly identify the main ideas and supporting details and focus on the specific information required for each question. Tip number 4 is to identify the main ideas and supporting details. As you read the text, try to identify the main ideas and supporting details. Use keywords and phrases to help you, and make notes as you read to help you remember. By identifying the main ideas and supporting details, you can better understand the text and answer questions more effectively. Moving on to tip number 5, and that is manage your time effectively. Allocate time for each question type and use a timer to help you keep track of time. Practice under timed conditions to improve your speed and accuracy. Make sure that you allocate enough time for each question and don't spend too much time on any one question. Remember, time management is the key to success in the IELTS reading test. Tip number 6. Practice active reading. Active reading involves engaging with the text and asking yourself questions as you read. Make connections between the text and your knowledge and experiences, and use visualization techniques to help you remember information. By practicing active reading, you can improve your comprehension and retention of the text. Tip number 7. Learn to recognize different question types. Learn to recognize the different question types such as multiple choice questions, true, false, not given, etc. Practice identifying the question type and required answer format, and use this knowledge to help you answer questions more effectively. By learning to recognize different question types, you can focus on the specific skills required for each question and improve your overall performance. And finally, use the process of elimination. When you're unsure of the correct answer, use the process of elimination to eliminate incorrect answer options. Look for keywords and phrases in the text that can help you eliminate incorrect options, and make an educated guess if you're still unsure. By using the process of elimination, you can increase your chances of choosing the correct answer and improve your overall performance. And that's it, folks. These are our 8 tips to help you ace the IELTS reading test. Remember, practice makes perfect. So be sure to put these tips into action and start seeing improvements in your reading skills. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all our latest IELTS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.